Hello, welcome to Fin Minutes. Pharma stocks are getting their mojo back as after falling or consolidating in range, Nifty Pharma Index is again moving towards new high. Easing macros in Western economies, receding supply chain issues, raising awareness toward healthcare post-pandemic are tailwinds for pharma sector. The stock on which we have done extensive research is about to list on exchanges and tick all required checkmark to be a long-term portfolio pick. IPO was open for subscription and received decent response from Street. It opened for subscription from August 4 to August 8, 2023 in price band of 705 rupees to 741 rupees. It was available for subscription in lot size of 20 shares, which translates into minimum investment of 14,100 rupees for one lot. Stock will list on NSE, BSE on the 18th of August 2023. The stock we are talking about is Concord Biotech. The company specializes in producing 6 fermentation-based immunosuppressant APIs including tacrolimus, mycophenolate mofetil, mycophenolate sodium, cyclosporin, sirolimus and pimecrolimus. The IPO is backed by late ace investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's Rare Trust. Top global investors participated in the anchor book included Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Amundi Funds, HSBC Mutual Fund, WF Asian Reconnaissance Fund, SBI Life Insurance, Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life, Government of Singapore, and PineBridge Global Funds. Such strong anchor book induced trust in investors and shows the pedigree of Concord's business. Strengths: Concord Biotech Pharma, an India-based biopharma company and one of the leading global developers and manufacturers of select fermentation-based APIs across immunosuppressants and oncology in terms of market share, based on volume in 2022. Commanded a market share of over 20% by volume in 2022 across identified fermentation-based API products, including mupirocin, sirolimus, tacrolimus, mycophenolate sodium and cyclosporin. Concord is amongst the few companies globally that have successfully and sustainably established and scaled up fermentation-based API manufacturing capabilities. Fermentation is a challenging process as it involves working with microbial strains and culture, controlling multiple processes and performing various purification steps. Small modifications to the process may lead to relatively large variances in the outputs. Concord operates in a fast-growing market. Many of its main market segments are growing as fast as 10+% CAGR. Risks: higher dependency on China for raw materials. Given the issues with China, any uncertainty could harm company's financial strength. Higher dependence on top 10 customers. A significant portion of company's revenue is coming from these top 10 customers, and any unfavorable condition on them will affect the order flow, revenue of Concord Biotech. View on Concord Biotech. Concord Biotech is a leader in immunosuppressants API. It operates in segments with high entry barrier due to resources and skills needed. It competes with Chinese and Korean peers, so it is an excellent China Plus One opportunity. Concord operates at an average operating margin of approximately 40%, which is way better than average margin of other industry peers commanding average margin of 24–25%. It has a PAT margin of 28.1%. Concord is a positive net cash flow company for the past 2 years and its cash conversion ratio improved to 71% in FY23 from 51% in FY21. Concord Biotech has aggressive plans for formulation and injectables, though presently company's 32% of raw materials are coming from China, but management is confident of significantly reducing it as most of these inputs can be made at company's new Limbasi plant. Company have no comparable peer in Indian market. Biocon, Solara, Ferments either have limited portfolio or commoditized molecules. Valued at 22.2 by 12 meters EV, EBITDA and at APE of 32 at upper price band valuation vice, it is priced to perfection, but it can be a valuable portfolio addition to fill the gap of value API play. It has a ROAS of 24%. While the company has no leverage as DE ratio is 0. Due to no leverage, we are not concerned of it being a complete offer for sale, OFS, issue.